Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to log out on McDonald's app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to log out on McDonald's app. We'll start by opening up a McDonald's app. Once you open up a McDonald's app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the bottom right hand corner where it says more, tap on more. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look up where it says profile. Make sure you tap on profile right there. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look on where it says your name. Look to the right where it says sign out. Make sure you tap on where it says sign out as you look to the right of your name right there, as where it says profile. Under, you're going to see your name there. Underneath, you're going to see your name, and you're going to see where it says sign out right there. Make sure you tap on where it says sign out. And they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to sign out? Make sure you tap on where it says sign out right there. And that's how you log out on McDonald's app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.